Today I would like to show you how to do the mattress stitch. What is the mattress stitch? The mattress stitch is a way to sew together two crochet pieces without showing that you sewed them together. And look, I used a blue yarn and you can't even see that I did. How cool is that? So watch now how I show you how to do the mattress stitch the easy and fast way. It is the perfect way to make a seamless transition from one crochet piece to another. So here we go. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Craft. So in order to do the mattress stitch, you need to first understand how it works. It is pretty much sewing together two different pieces, or the same pieces in this case, in a way that you won't see the yarn being used to sew together, as well as making a nice, neat, smooth seam so no yarn is showing. Okay, now in order to understand this, I need you to look at your piece on the edges. You will see these V's. Now sometimes, in this case up here, you don't, because this is the edge of a stitch. For that part, you're going to have to do it slightly different. But first, it is best to understand that these V's, consider them like mouths kissing together, okay? So that's what the idea of a mattress stitch is, that these two pieces will be coming together. Now let me show you now what that means. I just attached here a different color of yarn. Now typically you would use the same yarn, but I will show you that it actually doesn't matter. So here you see the V's, okay? You will insert your needle into one V and come out on the other V right there, okay? So you go in and then you go out. And then you pull your yarn through. And I'm going to leave it loose for a little bit, okay? Because I want you to see how it disappears. Now I'm going in a zigzag. So now I'm going to my other piece over here and do the same. I go from one V to another V. There we go. Now let's do that again on the other side, from one V to another V. And then again on this side, from one V to another V. So over here, it actually kind of doesn't look like a V, so it's going into that stitch. So it's the side of a stitch, so you just have to pretend there's V's here. So you have to hide it somehow so it looks similar to the other parts, okay? So you're just going in and out on the side of the edge of a crochet piece. So here we go. Now I did several of these. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to hide them, okay? So I'm going to put it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my piece and I'm going to pull my yarn and make it disappear. There you go. So look how the yarn disappeared. You don't even see that I used blue yarn in order to sew these two pieces together. How cool is this? So even if you may have run out of yarn, of the same yarn of this crochet piece, you can use a different yarn color and you won't see it. And this is so cool on the mattress stitch. So let me show you one more time over here in case you need a little repetition. So again, you just insert it and come out again on the side of the crochet piece. So again, I leave it loose just a bit and then go back to the other side. So even if you don't see a V over here, just go in and out on the edge. So again, over here, the V's are appearing again, so I'm going to go in and out. And I'm going to do one more time over here, in and out. Actually, let's just finish it to the end so you see how nice and neat it looks. I like holding it like this because it easily lets me see where the edge is. Now for bigger pieces, this might be slightly different, but again, the whole point is that you're going in and out on the edges of your crochet piece, and you're doing that in a zigzag. Then I like to do is just put it down and pull pull the yarn. And there we go. Look at that. We just sewed together these two pieces and you don't even see any blue showing through on either side of them. So this is how you do the mattress stitch, and this is how you hide your seam. It actually looks like this was just crocheted together. There is no sewing involved at all. How cool is that? So leave me a comment below and let me know if this tutorial was helpful for the mattress stitch, and what are you going to use the mattress stitch for? Please like this video, comment below, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe so the next time I publish a new video, go live, or have a new announcement, you will get a notification. So turn on that little bell. Until next time, bye!